Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make this big pot of Ninja Foodi Baked Beans. These can be made with the slow cooker function as well in the Ninja Foodi or in a traditional slow cooker too for 8 hours. So you have lots of options with this simple recipe. So let's get started with ingredients. You will need 8 slices of bacon, half a cup of diced onion, 2 11-ounce cans of pork and beans, 16-ounce can of red kidney beans, rinsed and drained, half a cup of ketchup, along with 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard, 1 cup of brown sugar, half a cup of honey, salt and pepper to taste, and if you wanted to, you can add hot dogs as well. That's totally up to you. I usually don't, but you always have that option too. So let's get going with the first step. You're going to want to cook the bacon. Sorry for the shaking there. And right now I am using the saute function of the Ninja Foodi to cook this bacon. Makes it very simple. You will need to drain the pot of the Ninja Foodi though first before going back with cooking the rest of these beans. So now that I have that cooked, the bacon is back in the pot of the Ninja Foodi. I don't worry too much about the bottom of the pot there with the bacon kind of caked on there because it will all come off during the cooking time. And it also gives it some extra flavor too. So we are going to go ahead and return to the pot the bacon, and I've crumbled it now. And then I'm going to add in the onion, the beans, ketchup, mustard, brown sugar, and honey. So all of that will be added in. So I am just using some canned pork and beans here. And then I will also be using the red kidney beans. Be sure to rinse and drain those. You don't need to rinse or drain your pork and beans, but you do with the kidney beans. So I'm going to keep adding that in here. Now, if you wanted to do hot dogs, you could always add those in as well. And sorry, I hit the side of the pot there and made it shake. But right now, you would want to add in those sliced hot dogs if you wanted to do those too. So this really only takes a few minutes. I'm adding in the ketchup now and the rest of the ingredients. And once it's all in there, we're just going to stir it up. Now, as I said before, you can make this a few different ways. You can either do it with the pressure cooker function, or you can do it with the slow cooker function. So right now, I am stirring this up, and then I'm going to do this one with the pressure cooker function. Using the pressure cooker takes about 4 minutes of cook time once the pressure is built up, and the slow cooker function would be 8 hours, so you'd be cooking that all day. Okay, so now you would have the slow cooker function. If you're going to use it, you would set the nozzle to vent and cook on low for 8 hours. If you're going to use the pressure cooker function, set the nozzle to seal and do high pressure for 4 minutes. Now this can be done in your Instant Pot as well, so you can use either the Ninja Foodi or Instant Pot. If you don't have either of those, you can just use a traditional crock pot or slow cooker and use the slow cooker option. So you would just cook it on low for 8 hours. So you will pick your method of how you want to cook this and get that prepared. And once it's done, it will look like this. So it'll be nice and steamy and hot. It'll have a great color to it, and it has a wonderful flavor. It's kind of like a sweet and savory baked beans. And these are perfect for a barbecue, for a cookout, to take to a potluck, whatever you may be doing that you need a side dish. This is a great way to do it. Super easy, and you get that great home cooked baked beans taste and flavor. So this is them all done. These that you see here have the hot dogs added in, which is totally optional on your part. But you can find this whole recipe for Ninja Foodi Baked Beans over on mommyhatescooking.com. I have this recipe and many, many more, so be sure to check it out and like and subscribe so that you don't miss the next video. Thanks so much for tuning in today.